Hi everyone, my name is Kelly and I'm from the city of Cape Town, and I have my colleague
Sima
with me today, and we are going to show you how to make the Squeezy Bottle 2. So basically you need a 1 liter bottle, a soft cap and a pin. You're going to use the pin to make fine holes starting at the center, making one directly in the middle, and then making a circular pins around about 5, and then again on the outer layer. Make sure that you stay close to the center and don't make your holes too far apart. So basically I'm going to put my cap on, and I'm going to show you now how the water just flows. So now that we're ready with our Squeezy Bottle 2, we are ready to wash our hands. So Seema is going to help me. So the first step is I need to wet my hands. So with the Squeeze Bottle, I'm wetting my hands. Thereafter, I am taking soap. And the soap is an important part to wash our hands to remove all of the germs of our hand. So as you can see, I am foaming it with the soap to get rid in between my fingers, and I'm cleaning my nails as well. And this for 20 seconds. You can sing any song that you want for 20 seconds, and thereafter we are going to rinse all of the soap off, which includes all of that germs that is coming off. So now that my hands are all rinsed, as you can see, it's nice and clean. So I can either shape and dry, or I can use a paper towel or a clean towel at home to dry my hands off. It's very important we are not rubbing it on our clothes because our clothes are dirty. See, I show them how much water we've used.
Really, water used.
Yeah.